In this video, I will show you tools that students can use. Students can use the first tool for research. The second tool can be used for studying. Let's get started. The first tool is Perplexity. Unlike other tools that give chatbot-like answers, Perplexity will give you chatbot-like answers, and it will also access the most recent information that is available on the internet. You can put a question in the chat box. So once the answer has been generated, you have the option to open all these sources that are here. And here it gives you the option to choose images, search videos, and to create images as well. So if I click on this, it gives me 8 sources that I have access to. And these are the different sources, which includes internet and news as well. Once you can also write follow-up questions over here. So if you're not happy with the response, you can create a follow-up question. So there you go. You can click on other aspects of that as well. You can share, you can rewrite the question, and this will allow you to get the most recent information on the topic that you have chosen. The second tool is MagicSchool. MagicSchool comes with 2 modes. The second one is for students. So if you click on that, you can create heaps of resources while you are studying. You can use this tool to do your research. It could act as your research assistant. You can write something and get feedback on your writing. So if you're struggling with your summary writing, you can click over here, choose your year level, and you can, if you drop your text over here, it will help you to create a summary for your reading text. If you go back to the interface, you can also the option of creating study notes. You can create, you can write emails. You can also create information text. So if I go over here, click on that icon, choose my year level as well. So once I've chosen the year level, I can come up with 2 paragraphs, topic, search, and then it will come up with a list of like a reading list for you. You can copy and paste it, and you can copy and paste it and create a worksheet on that as well for you to actually do some questions on the topic. There's another feature. If you're stuck with your writing, here is a tool that can help you to come up with ideas to start your writing. So quick recap on the tools. Students can use Perplexity for research. MagicSchool can be used to take notes and create activities. Let me know which tool you would try in the comments. Share this video with your friends, like and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.